Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today we're talking about what I eat and ways to make cooking easier so you spend less time cooking and more time having fun with your kids. Today's video is in collaboration with a lot of awesome mamas. This club is being hosted by Rachel from Day to Day Joys. You can check out the playlist link that will be in the description box to see all their videos and ideas. Super excited about seeing them. If you are new here, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. I talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and intentional living, and I would love for you to be a part of our community. And let's get into today's video. So, first thing that I'm having is some greens and some coffee. So this coffee is nothing fancy. It's not like organic or anything. It's just decaf, and it was on sale, buy one get one. It's hazelnut, so it's got like probably artificial flavors in it, so it's probably not that great, but it tastes good and it's decaf. So yeah, I actually prefer the decaf from Trader Joe's. That's like organic. It tastes really good. It's like French vanilla or something. But I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while, and this one was buy one get one, so you know. And I also use hazelnut stevia. I also like their English toffee as well. I'll link this in the description box, as well as these two. I have been adding this collagen. I think it's been good for like my nails anyways. And this greens powder I've been using for a while, and it's like one of the very few things that when I take it, like I feel good. You know how sometimes you take stuff and you just you're not sure it's doing anything for you. This one came highly recommended by this naturopath that I follow on the internet. So I was like, well, I'll try that, and I really feel like, I don't know if I can say that without being like, sued or something, but I feel like it makes me feel better. So I'm not a doctor, but yeah. And then one of my mugs from my shop, I'll link that in the description box too. So anyways, this is what I'm drinking, and then I'll have some more water too, but then we're having oatmeal, so I'll show you that. Also, I usually put homemade cashew milk, just like cashews and water blended up, in here too, but I just don't feel like it today. So sometimes I'll put like a little bit of butter or coconut oil and blend that in, but I just don't feel like putting that stuff in today. So I'm not. Today we're having oatmeal for breakfast, and I wanted to come from the angle of meal prep for homeschool moms or people. But I'm a homeschool mom. So yesterday I made a big batch of oatmeal. They were leftover, so I put them in these Pyrex glass containers that I love, that I'll link in the description also. And I was thinking that you can make a big batch, purposefully make too much, and put them in mason jars or containers, and you can even eat your oatmeal cold if you want to. But you can put as much stuff in there as you want, or leave it as plain as you want. This is like a mango oatmeal that I made yesterday. It's got cinnamon in it too. So anyway, just an idea. You could also make like muffins, in a huge batch of muffins, and freeze some, and have a quick muffin every morning. Whatever works for you guys. But if you're thinking about ways that you can cook once, eat twice, or more. So I'm making a smoothie. We have some cashew milk and also some water in there, and then we have banana. We have some mixed frozen fruit, some chia seeds, some greens powder, half an avocado, and some cucumber, and did I say peanut butter? Yeah, I think that's everything. So here is our post-walk smoothie, and we're about to do some schoolwork, and then we'll break for lunch, and we'll see you then. So for lunch, we're having leftovers from Sunday dinner, which was steak and broccoli, and also some waffle fries and some homemade kombucha. So now we are having popcorn for an afternoon snack. My oldest son likes butter and salt on his, and then my daughter and my youngest son like it with nutritional yeast and flax. And then for dinner, I decided to take a picture instead of trying to record a video because my house was loud. Anybody else have a loud house at dinner time? Give me a thumbs up if you understand what that's all about. So yes, sometimes I make my own bread, sometimes I make my own almond butter or jelly, and sometimes I use the store-bought stuff, and I raid the hurricane stash of paper towels. And look at that, one dirty dish, or should I say knife, and the kids were happy, and Mom was happy. So I just wanted to let you know that everybody needs to have some downtime, and sometimes we have fancy dinners, and sometimes we have peanut butter and jelly. It's all good. You're doing a great job, Mama. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to check the playlist in the description box to see all the other ladies' videos and let them know that I said hi. If you're new from one of their channels, I'm so glad that you're here and would love for you to subscribe to our community as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.